How to share someone's stories on Facebook. So first of all, launch the Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in. Now you have to tap on the story that you want to share. And if the story's privacy settings allows sharing, you will see a share icon at the bottom left corner, so tap on it. And from here you can simply share it in your story feed or send it via Messenger. So here tap on your story. After that, you can customize and post it in your story. You can add your own text or stickers if desired and then post or send. But if you don't see a share button, or if the story does not have a share button, you can politely ask the original poster or the account if you can share their story for their permission, and take a screenshot or screen recording of the story and upload it to your story or feed, giving credit to the original poster. Here you have to make sure that if the person's story is set to private, you won't be able to set it unless they change the settings to allow or allow you explicitly. And you have to always respect the original creator's work and give them proper credit before you share their content in your story. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.